At Pivot, the biggest difference was the quality and clarity of resources. My school notes and tutorials often left me more confused than before, but Mr. Ram gave us super concise, exam-ready notes for every topic, as well as standard question worksheets with sample answers to help us drill key concepts and familiarize ourselves with common exam questions.
JC notes at most times very incomplete. They're not really what is required for the exams, but Mr. Ram's notes were very to the point, precise, taught you how to apply your content, and he also went a step further, give these so-called hot tips where actually these are certain things that are not in your A-level syllabus per se, but they have been asked upon in the A-levels. And I think this only comes upon teachers when they really put in the effort and try to look into all these past year papers and do the work for you to analyze, scope these papers.
I think that Pivot has really helped me regain my interest in learning physics. And I think that coming to Pivot, the lesson structure and as well as how Mr. Ram teaches us, being able to explain the concepts really well and really clear to us, made me more interested in learning the chapter itself as well as really want to improve in all my assessments. So one thing that I really love about the lessons is that sometimes she uses analogy to explain some concepts to us, which I find that it's really beneficial for me because I learn better with analogies.
When he gives us time to do questions, he makes sure he goes around class to each individual student and he says, oh, are you doing okay? He tries to experiment with you on the different methods you can choose to approach the question. When I first came to hear about Pivot, I was actually really surprised that Pivot actually offered lab lessons. Every practical lesson, we were given past year A-level papers or modified questions he thought would come out for the upcoming A-levels. And most of the equipment that he used were also very similar to what the JCs are using, or as for my JC, they use the same analogs, same digital ammeters, voltmeters.
Overall, the experience at Pivot here has really helped me improve a lot in physics, whether it was in paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 or paper 4. So if you want to pivot your grades and illuminate your A-level journey, you should definitely join physics and Illum before it is too late.
As for physics, I think you just have to put in the work and effort, but at the same time it's about who you work with, who are the teachers, the mentors you're going to be choosing. Here you already got the answer, which is Mr. Ram, so it's as soon as possible that you find your pivotal moment with him.